chat, should I call Mr. Beast? He's not going to answer, though, bro. Yo, chat, should I call Mr. Beast? Should I call Mr. Beast, chat? He's not going to answer, though, bro. He's not going to answer. He's not going to answer. Should I call him, though? He will not answer, bro. I'm telling you, bro. He's not going to answer. I'm telling you, bro. Watch. He probably don't even got my number saved. He probably will. I knew it, bro. I knew he wasn't going to answer, bro. I don't have...
What up?
What's good, Beast?
How's it going? I can hear the background noise. I know you're trying to prank me. Hey, Speed. Are you just mad you didn't win the jet?
Oh my, no, you're bro. And he hung up! And he just hung up! And he just hung up! Hey, hey, Mr. Beast, hey, bro. Hey, bro, watch when I see him, dog. Watch when I see him, bro. Watch when I see him. Watch when I see him. Watch when I see you, Mr. Beast. 6'5" Kevin Durant. Man, that's what they... Watch when I see him, chat. Okay.